Hi guys, so I know I already did part 3 of how to sneeze, and I think I'm gonna cry again. So I'm only going to show you guys the scenes when I do sneeze, or at least I'll try. I might skip some, but whatever. And I'm not gonna put any definite, but please tell me how to edit. I'm not gonna make another video of how to edit because it's too much work. Okay, I can do anything. And we are back. Okay, let's go. I'm just putting this back in the kitchen. Sorry, I'm just hungry. See ya. Wonder how that looked. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Oops. Sorry. I'm ready to do it. Like everything else, I already got this stuff ready. Ooh! This is actually nice, look. That's actually pretty nice. Now I put them back. And now we do it. I'm sleeping here, stargazing. I'm still like, oh, look up. Sorry. Okay, let's get this started with. Like I said, Like I said, I'm only going to do the parts where I sneeze, okay? We good? We good. Okay, I'm about to sneeze. I just put more Vaseline. Okay, I didn't sneeze, but I feel like I'm having a nosebleed. Okay, I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm not doing the part. I guess that's all for part 4. I'll do it better in part 5. I swear. Actually, let's just do it one more time. For you guys, obviously. Not for me to torture myself. Why am I so caught up in sneezing? I want to skip school like I did today. Like everyone did today. Yep, I'm not doing this. I'm sorry. My face is red. It really is. But I can't. I'm gonna cry. I'm kidding, I'm not crying. But I'm going to put this so you guys can't see my face. I totally don't have tears right now. Anyways, goodbye. I'll make part 5 better than part 4. Okay? Bye, guys. Sorry.